Hi there, Lash Affair team. I was checking out your Amazon strategy. Your listing black liquid eyeliner find felt tip really caught me attention. I would also like to congratulate you on making it to Amazon. My name is Jen from the Amazon Guy. I know how difficult it is to navigate Amazon's policies. Seeing this as a job well done. My goal is to point out potential opportunities that your team might want to consider, and if it's okay with you, I'm going to walk you through them in this quick video. The main drivers of traffic in Amazon are keywords. This is the tool that we're using to analyze your keywords. Now I'm looking at your current keywords distribution. You have 70 of organic and you aren't running any ads yet. Notice here that you're screen low on your keywords compared to your competitors. I'd highly recommend scaling this up, especially organic. This gives free exposure to your product. Not running ads could be mean that you're most likely leaving money on the table. We run more than 300 PPC accounts. We find that it's a good idea to run ads and it can be done so profitably. So, to maximize your keyword reach, we typically recommend a healthy golden ratio of 1 is to 2, which means that in every 2 organic, we aim to have 1 paid for better traffic and conversion. And there are hundreds and thousands of additional keywords that you might want to consider bidding on indexing for. Down here are keyword phrases. These are highly searched keywords under your category. Now, I did filter this through the highest search volume and looking at your strategy here or how your keyword is currently performing, there's a lot of spaces. You're not visible at all. You're not getting any impressions for these keywords with strong search demand, and this could be a massive missed opportunity. SEO and PPC work hand in hand to provide visibility to your product, boost traffic, and conversion. And if you are ranking, you're on the higher triple digits. So, for example, black liquid eyeliner over 5,000 of searches, liquid eyeliner pen felt tip over 2,000. So you're still buried pages deep, ranking on a higher triple digits. You're missing out a lot of potential sales as well because you're buried and it will take a lot of scrolling before your potential customer can even see your product, not to mention tons of sponsored products on top of it. Ideally, you need to target rank 1 through 50 to get seen on the first page, and we all know most clicks and conversions happen on that page. So we can help with optimizing your SEO strategy so we can help you index the most relevant keywords to your product, improve your ranking, and by bidding on these keywords, this will boost product's visibility, help your product get in front of more potential customers. And I would like to show you how big your category is and why you have to be more aggressive. So, just in the top 50 listings on one keyword alone, brought in over $6 million dollars in monthly revenue. It looks to me there's a lot of market share that's available for you that you can take advantage of, and your category is huge. We can help you grow your market share by focusing on conversions. Click through rate is part of our SEO strategy, and these are the past 30 days of sales and revenue. Now, let's take a look at this brand here. I'm not doing any product comparison. I just want to give you an idea how they're targeting keywords. So, there's slight pricing difference here, and you might want to benefit from it since you're both under the same category. If we're going to take a look at their strategy, they are running hundreds of ads. They're taking advantage of the easiest way to get seen in Amazon. Aside from that, they're banking organically, indexing over 2,000 of keywords. They have broader reach, higher chances of ranking for key search terms. That could be mean that they have better exposure, and they have generated over 4,000 unit sales and over $80,000 in revenue. Your brand have generated 16 unit sales with almost $400 in revenue, and there's really a huge gap. Your brand is not capturing as much market share as it could be. But with proper strategy, right keywords to target, you can generate more sales, and we can help you run a keyword gap analysis. We can take top 10 of your competitors, duplicate the keywords that have high search volume where to rank better, incorporate that into your listing, and that way you can have the same exposure as other brands are getting. And back to your product detail page. Great job on your title. Looking at your bullet points, well done as well. And when it comes to your main image, you have white background and right size, which is great. You have infographic, would highly recommend to add more lifestyle, showing your product is in use, and great job for having 2 videos. Let's proceed with your A plus content. All right, you have utilized A plus content, but you can still improve this. Taking advantage of different A plus modules, you can share more visually appealing images of your product, features, and functionality, and give buyers clarity and confidence. This will also allow you to add 500 up to 1,000 words of copy each design of global text to double your organic and get more visibility with Amazon's algorithm. Now you have brand story utilized, and I would highly recommend to share more information about your brand and utilize scrollable text. It's also a great way to boost your SEO if you add this to your brand story. Well, those are just a few tips. Here at the Amazon Guide, we are a full service digital marketing agency. We manage over 400 brands and $7 million in monthly PPC spend, driving more than $1.2 billion in revenue for our clients. If you found this video helpful, book a call with us. Speak directly with one of our experts. We can discuss any of your Amazon needs. Thank you for watching.